today's video, I'm gonna be updating my tune, my boot mode tune for the F30. I've gotten a lot of requests on updating it and how it sounds. If you guys remember a few videos back, I was having some issues with my battery and I didn't really think it was safe to reflash the ECU just in case the battery died. So it seems like my battery is back up to normal. Gotta make sure everything is up to date. I am on a stage 2 aggressive custom burble tune right now that I did myself, and it's been pretty good actually so far. I'm pretty happy with it. The guys over at, I think it was Big Boost LLC, were the ones I was using to customize my tune. They sent me an update a while back and I just haven't had a chance to do it. So today I'm gonna update that, but for now I'm gonna try and get you guys some audio of the exhaust and kind of how it stands now, and then once we update it, that way I have a good comparison of before and after. With each version update, it hasn't changed a whole lot, so I'm not really expecting it to sound crazy different, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and actually make my way to get some coffee right now. I think I'm pretty damn tired, so let's go do that. You know, it's funny, in F30s, I love this little pouch thing here because it's great for like your phone or your keys, but when you're not using it, it's a great cup holder. Not bad. I know in a lot of older BMWs, like, cup holders are always an issue, so it's kind of intuitive, but like, if your cup is any taller than this, you can't really put it in. Little dope spot that doesn't seem to be open anymore. I'm gonna run outside, set up the camera, and get some like 3,000 to 6,000 RPM revs for you. And I'll start in Eco Pro mode, and then we'll do comfort, and then we'll do sport. So should be good. Let me know what you guys think. And this is before I've re-upped to the new custom tune. This is still the 93 octane stage 2 aggressive custom burble tune. So let's get it. Wow, that was awful. There's like mounds of snow out here and all-wheel drive problems, so hope you guys like those little half-ass donuts. I'm gonna go over to my girl's house and catch up with her, and we might pop back out, in which case I will update the tune, because now we've got everything ready to go, and then we'll rock the stage 2 aggressive custom tune. Hell yeah, guys. Back in the whip, I have my laptop all set up, the OBD agent is up to date, and I've got everything ready to go, right? Right. So first step, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my OBD down into the car, and this side goes into your laptop. Plug that in there. Okay, so now that we're plugged in and the car is plugged in, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the power onto the car, but don't actually turn the car on. Also important when you're tuning, always make sure you wear your seatbelt, because that keeps a lot of the computers in the car from going to sleep. You don't have to wear your seatbelt, but...
Well, I'm sitting in the thing, so maybe it knows my weight is here. Who knows?
Safety first. All right, so now you can see the OBD is connected. I'm gonna jump over here, go down to my maps. I'm gonna turn this off because you don't want to drain the battery. Scroll down to the new map that is ready for flashing. All that's left to do is hit flash. Press here to flash now. Oh, they actually added a download and flash later, so you can do it offline. That's pretty cool. Press here to flash now. Warning, your version of OBD seems to be out of date. That sucks because I just updated it. I tried updating the agent a couple times, and for some reason it's saying that it's not up to date. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and reinstall it from the ground up instead of updating onto the current program that's installed on the computer. So this should only take a few minutes, and we'll be right back to tuning. While we wait though, look at this steering wheel, huh? Pretty dope, little $50, $40 upgrade. If you guys didn't see my last video, make sure you go check it out. Not a bad upgrade for the base model and the M Sport wheels if you don't feel like dropping mad money on a new wheel. Let's try this again. It says the OBD agent is up and connected to the vehicle. I should be able to go back here, turn the car on just once. Seatbelt is on. Let's go over to my maps, scroll down to the new map, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just hit flash. So now it's running through the process of tuning. Shouldn't take too long. Usually it's under about 30 seconds or so. I've already gone over this in the last video, but don't be alarmed if you see a bunch of different like brake system, drivetrain warnings and all that. That's just part of tuning. It'll all decode itself out, but it's finishing up now, so we should be all done. This took awesome success. So turn the ignition off for 20 seconds and then turn the car on. 18 1000, 19 1000, 21,000. Okay, looks good so far. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my cold start is back on, so I'd have to go back to the custom settings in there and turn that off if I want it off, but I haven't had it in a while, so let's piss off some people. Next step would be to do a little bit of data logging and show them what the changes are, and let's see how it sounds. Rip. I just went through the tunnel again. You guys probably didn't hear any pops. That's because there were none. And that is with the new custom tune update. So a little bit of a disappointment. I'm probably gonna end up going back to the off-the-shelf map, but just as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and post up in a little bit and show you guys what it sounds like when I just rev it in park. And you guys can be the judge and let me know what you think. I have a feeling I'm gonna be going right back to the off-the-shelf map that I had before. It is what it is. You know, always a process of trying to get the best performance and sound, so it's an ongoing battle. Jenna, where are we going right now?
Lowe's to get burritos.
What a day. Get to take the F30 out, hang out with her, and now we're gonna go get some burritos, so I'll catch up with you guys soon. It's been a little bit since I aired out on the peasants, so yeah, get that Moe's, boy. Chicken burrito, green verde sauce. Eat it. I'm so full.
You got new feet on?
New feet on? My feet are under more weight now. Oh, my lady. Get your ass in there. Get in there. Get in there. Look at that fitment though, boy. Stock wheels. I'm gonna go outside and do the same thing we did before. I'm gonna rev the engine from 3 to 6,000 RPM, starting in Eco, then Comfort, and then Sport, and you guys can let me know what you think of it. So you guys can tell there's absolutely no burble. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and reflash back to the off-the-shelf 93 octane stage 2 aggressive custom, you know the story. So I got way more of an aggressive sound from that, and I guess we'll just keep going back and forth with the custom tuner, but I'm gonna go ahead and reflash right now. These are the settings that I'm gonna be using. So duration I have all the way up, duration Sport Plus I have all the way up, aggression both all the way up, minimum speed all the way down, max speed all the way up, minimum RPM all the way down, maximum RPM all the way up. I'm also gonna go ahead and leave the cold start OEM, so it should be on. Shameless plug, but if you guys need to pick up this sweatshirt or any of the elevated tees, Jenna, where can they find them?
At elevatedmediamerch.com.
That's gonna wrap up the video for today. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a big like. Comment down below if you guys have done some of this boot mode tuning. Let me know what you guys have had success with. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna be there very soon. So if you wanna be a part of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.